Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Nokia X30. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Here locate the system at the bottom, find gestures, and now we can see all of them. First one is jump to camera, and here if you enable it you can quickly jump to camera by pressing the power button twice. Works from any screen, so that means lock screen and when your phone is unlocked. So let's try that. Here we have the camera, and now we can lock our device and try it on lock screen. Also works fine. Now the next one is system navigation, and that's a whole another topic for gestures, but to simplify, you can change from gesture navigations like I have right here to navigate through your phone with different gestures, or use the 3 buttons at the bottom. Next one is turn over to reject call, and here if you enable it and someone tries to reach you by calling, you can place your phone like this to deny the call. Next up is mute on pickup, and here if you pick up your phone and somebody is calling you, the call will be muted. It won't be denied, it will be muted. Next one is double tap to check phone. Here it works on your locked device, so we need to lock it, double tap, and that way our screen will unlock, but not before giving our code or pin or whatever. Here we have lift to check phone, and that way if we lock our device and pick it up, it should wake up like that. Works fine. Press and hold power button and click on it to enable assistant, and that way if we hold our power key, the Google Assistant should turn on. There's also prevent ringing. To enable, first press and hold power button to power the menu. So let's try disabling it, and here we can if we disable the Google Assistant with holding power key, you can use prevent ringing instead. So if you hold the power key, it should mute the power and volume up. So if you use the power and volume up key together, you can mute or vibrate your phone, and that's basically all of the gestures and motions on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.